Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Sara and I love filming cleaning motivation videos to help you get motivated to clean your own home. Today's video is After Dark Clean with me. I haven't filmed an After Dark Clean with me in such a long time, mainly because I don't like to film with my lights on because we have this yellow light, so the footage isn't the best. And today I'm starting in the living room and I'm just dusting this TV stand first. When I do my evening cleanup, I usually start in the kitchen because I want to get it out of the way first, but today I started a little earlier, so I cleaned the living room while dinner was still cooking, and then I only have to do the kitchen after we eat. And now I'm going to fix the couch and wipe down the coffee table, and after I'm done with that, I will also vacuum.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
And the last thing I have to do in the living room today is mop. I'm using my Velera spin mop and I fill it with hot water, and I'm adding a little dish soap and vinegar.
Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless.
It's now an hour later. I finished cooking dinner and we ate and relaxed for a little bit, so now I'm going to start cleaning the dining table. I'm putting everything away first and then I'm going to wipe down the table. I also baked some donuts earlier, that's why the table is full of flour.
Through a phone in the night, no, I'm here by your side. So tell me where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. Cause I'm vibing with all we have, yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground, all I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have, I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions.
Next, I'm going to put away the clean dishes that were drying, put away the leftovers, and then start washing all the dirty dishes.
I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know, tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know, tell me, what do you have in mind?
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again.
Tell me down in the comments if you do more cleaning in the morning or in the evening. I definitely do more in the evening or afternoon. In the morning I just make my bed and do laundry and just tidy up if I didn't do everything the night before.
Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Now I'm going to wipe down the countertops and scrub the stovetop with my R Scrub King Cleaner.
And let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the
Next I'm going to wash these few dishes that I didn't wash before and then I'm going to vacuum and mop in here.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
And that is everything for my after dark clean with me today. Usually I also fold some laundry in the evening or vacuum the entire house, but I didn't have laundry to fold and the floors weren't that bad in the rest of the house. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you are new so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
Alright, just keep on trying.